baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you.
So I'm gonna try to vlog today as much as possible, but I'm honestly horrible at vlogging, so no promises. It's now 2 o'clock. Let's just see how this vlog goes, honestly. Ready to go to the gym. I'm just wearing our athletic wear leggings, as you can see, and this crop top or like crop tank is from Shein. And then on my feet I'm just wearing some Nikes that I've had for a really long time. So today is a new day. Today I have my dad's birthday barbecue, so I wanted to vlog my day today because it's just been a really hectic weekend for me. What did I do on Friday? On Friday I had to prepare for a shoot that I had on Saturday, and then Saturday I had to shoot one of the longest days ever. But I will put clips of the shoot in this video so that you guys can see. Basically it was a music video, by the way, and basically there were two scenes. One scene was a club scene and then the other scene was a boat scene. So it was just a super long day because we had to shoot the one scene in one spot, and then we had to travel to the next spot, wait for everyone to come there, get the boat all set up, like I had to change. It was super hot. It was probably like 30 degrees yesterday, and you know, hair, makeup, just everything was super hectic. So I'm really exhausted from that. I literally came home, ate some pizza because I was craving pizza, and then passed out. And I actually got my period yesterday too, so that made my day even more like, well, it made it feel like it was dragging on in a way because I just wanted to be in bed eating. So I felt really good when I finally got home, had some oily pizza, and just went to bed. But yeah, now I have to, well, I had to get up early this morning because we are hosting a barbecue for my dad for his birthday. So I've been up. I just finished getting ready. I have to go get the cake, and then I have to go meet them, and then I think we have to go to the picnic spot to make sure we claim our area. So I'm hoping to vlog throughout the day because why not? But like I said, it's been super hectic, so hopefully I can vlog. Let's just say I'm hoping to vlog, but who knows. If not, I'll put clips of the barbecues because I know if I don't vlog I will snap. But yeah, you guys, I don't even feel like I had a weekend because I just worked all weekend. I never got to sleep in. I just wanna, I don't know, I might take a day off or something on Tuesday. I don't know, because I'm exhausted. These lashes are cheesy. What else did I want to update you guys on? So right now I'm gonna quickly get some food because I probably need to take an Advil so I don't have really bad cramps throughout the day, but I can't take one without eating. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a slice of pizza because I have some left over. I'm gonna go get my mango smoothie from Chat Time, and then I'm gonna go ahead to pick up the cake and then go meet my parents downtown. I will see you guys in a bit. By the way, this is my outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing this tube dress. It's from Shein. It's like a navy blue color. I don't know if this is gonna show true to color, but it is super cute, and they are actually sending me the same dress in purple. It goes all the way down to my ankles. For my shoes, I'm just wearing my Michael Kors sandals. I also got my nails done on Friday. Oh my gosh. So I was literally at the nail salon until like 10 o'clock, I would say. My appointment was at 7:30. I got there, I literally waited an hour to sit down and for them to start doing my nails, and then I stayed there until 10. So literally my weekend has been nuts. But yeah, I just got my clear pink nails that I've gotten before. I don't know, when I do shoots I tend to do nude nails. Just because, I don't know, I guess it's just the easiest, and I just like how they look. I don't necessarily like this color. It's kind of like streaky and cloudy, but from far it looks really nice. So yeah, I was gonna do white again because my toes are still white. I didn't have time to do my toes. I waited an hour at the salon to be seated because originally my appointment was for nails and toes. But since it took me an hour to sit down, that's like an hour of my time, and they were supposed to close at 8:30, and they were like so backed up and so behind. So I was just like, honestly, it's 10 o'clock, there's no way I'm doing my toes. So I left my toes white. They actually don't look bad. My toes don't look bad. I just wanted to I wanted to do a different color, my like cool tone pinky color. Why does my thing look like that? Hopefully it doesn't look so like I'm wearing an eye mask-y on here. But yeah, I wanted to do my cool tone pink color, but whatever, I'll just do it next time because I did not have time to do anything. All right, so this is the pizza that I ordered. So good. It's a homemade pan pizza with ground beef, banana peppers, pineapple, and cheddar cheese. I actually made a salad the other day, and I should probably be eating this chicken salad. This is the salad, this is the chicken, and it's definitely tempting, but definitely gonna go with this option. This just looks so good. But yeah, if you guys haven't tried a homemade pan pizza, you definitely need to try it. It's life-changing, and this is from Domino's. But yeah, so good. Please don't mind the mess in the background. My old carpet and my bag from yesterday, I haven't even unpacked it because, like I said, I got home. Actually, I didn't even tell you guys what time I got home yesterday. I got home at like 11 or something. So, yeah. Also, if you guys want to see more pictures and videos from my shoot or like any other shoots, then check out Instagram. I do like little reel montages on there, and also all of my photos and stuff that I take are on there as well. This is the body spray that I've been using for summer. It's the Victoria's Secret Tease. It's a body mist, but it lasts like a perfume. But it's not as like intense as a perfume. You just smell like summer. I don't know if I should wear my watch. No, because my sandals have gold in it. I'm gonna eat this pizza and then head out. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Currently sitting in the car waiting for the food. We actually Ubered some food, so I'm waiting for it to get here, and it's taking long because there's a lot of traffic right now, rush hour, so he's literally stuck in traffic. But yeah, that is currently what's up. It's so freaking hot outside. I found my hat in my car, but yeah, it's super hot out here. It's not really a vibe, if you ask me. But yeah. There are so many people here. That's another thing. Literally everyone's here because it's so hot.